Mama, let's go to the sheep. Why? Mom, can we go to the sheeps?
Ang daming tupa. Sheep. Look at guys. Ang daming tupa. A sheep. Look at ang daming sheep.
Ilan pa kaya ito dito? Hi, sheepies. Sheepies.
Ala, isa.
The sheepies are coming? Sheepies.
Look at.
There's a little chicken.
Ang dami nila.
There's a little chicken. There's a little chicken. My dream.
It's like you want to squeeze it.
I want to squeeze it. I want to hug it.
You wanna hug it?
So much comfort.
Oh my goodness.
Sa akin pwede.
Ang cute. Ay, may mga maliliit pa. Oh, look, there's a babies. See?
I want to hug the baby. Let's go.
Mga baby tupa.
Let's go like a little bit close.
Oh, baby sheep.
Come on, let's go.
Wait,
a little
wait.
bit close.
Don't move me. I'm making video.
Okay.
Look at them.
Ooh. There's what are those called again?
Ang antot nila. Maanggo.
He's sleeping.
Doon tayo sa
Papa, let's go.
Ano na?
Please.
sheep at saka kambing. Ay, sheep din yan.
Sheep lang lahat. Walang
Ay, yung may
kambing.
sungay na yan.
Sheep din yan. Walang kambing dyan.
Yung brown na yan, sheep din yan.
Anong nangahabol yan?